morning, children. Today we are going to do English second unit, that is true friendship. Let us go through the lesson by reading process. Once upon a time, in the city of Syracuse lived two friends. One is Daman and Pythias. Both of them were lovers of truth. However, their king Dionysius was an evil-minded ruler. One day, the king heard that Pythias had called him cruel and had said something against him. So, he got very angry. He announced that Pythias would be punished for this and hanged. So in this passage, once upon a time, there lived two friends in the Syracuse city, Daman and Pythias. Those are the two friends who were living in the city called Syracuse. In the same city, there was a king called Dionysius. He was evil-minded ruler as well as cruel thoughts in his mind every day against the Pythias and Daman. So one day what he heard, the king heard that Pythias had said something against the king. So what the king started thinking that he should call up the Pythias and he would be punished for his mistake and he should be hanged. Okay. Next page, page number 13. O king, the Pythias will start. Pythias, O king, please allow me to go and meet my old mother and my sister before I die. I must arrange for my sister's marriage and bid goodbye to my mother. After that, I will return. This is my last wish. So, Pythias will be arrested from the king and he brought into the court. Now he is in the king court. So, he asks something, he requests something to the king. O king, please allow me to go and meet my sister and mother because my sister's marriage is announced. So, I need to prepare for her marriage and I should say goodbye to my mother. I should take my blessings from my mother. So, please allow me to go to my home to meet my family. This is my last wish. So, he asked the king. King Dionysius, impossible. I cannot grant you wish. How can I be sure that you will return? So, king says that impossible. I cannot send you because how can be sure that you will, after going to your home or your family, will come back to me again for the punishment. I could not grant you your last wish. Next, Daman comes. Daman, sir, I am Daman and true friend of Pythias. Please let him go to fulfill his last wish. I will remain in your custody until he returns. Daman is a friend of Pythias. Both are true friends and true lovers of truth. So what Daman asks the king? Sir, I am Daman, friend of Pythias. Please allow him to go to meet his family. So let him allow to go to his family and meet his sister and his mother. So let its last wish of his will be fulfilled. Until that time I will be here. So I am waiting for him in this custody. Okay. He was requested to the king. King Dionysius, all right Pythias, but on one condition. I will fix the day and the hour of your return. If you do not return in time, your friend Daman will have to die instead of you. What king tells to both of them? Alright Pithias, alright Daman, I am giving Pithias to, giving a chance to Pithias to go and meet his family as his last wish. As per that, it's last wish. So I am allowing him to go and meet his family. But returning from his family, that day will be fixed by me. That time will be fixed by me. If we do not return at the time what I suggested, what I given. So if he is not returned in a proper day, at a proper time, so Daman is going to be die instead of you. Okay. So like that the king says. So Pithias was granted his last wish. So Pithias was granted his last wish. He went home, completed his work and hurried back to Seleucus. He had to face many dangers and so he was delayed. On the fixed day, Pithias had not returned. As a result, Daman was taken to be hanged. So what happened? So King Dionysius was very cruel and cunning minded. So he thought of an idea. So he given a proper time and day to come back to Pithias to the court. But king made some arrangements so that the Pithias will be late for the court at the day. Okay. So he could not able to come at the proper time due to some of the problems what he faced, danger problems. In the court of the king Dionysius, Dionysius is on the throne. Daman's hands are tied behind. Soldiers are his either sides. King Dionysius: where is your friend now, Daman? He has left you here to die. I am certain that he will not return. You are a fool to be here in this place. So King Dionysius was asking Daman that, where is your friend Pithias? He didn't come back at a proper time. So he wants you to die here. What a friend you have. So you are a fool. So you have stay here for sake of him. So like that he was telling about his friendship. Daman: you are mistaken. I know the Pithias. He will keep his promise. He will be back in time. Even if he does not come, I will be happy to die in his place as I love him dearly. What Daman says? You are mistaken. Oh my king, you are mistaken. I know that Pithias will come back in a proper time. He promised. He never break his promises. He will return back. He will keep his promises. If he doesn't come also, I am very happy to sacrifice my life instead of him because I love him dearly. After that, Pithias enters the court hall runningly, gasping for a breath, and Daman embraces the Pithias and weeps. Pithias, I have come. Please do not kill Daman. I have come back to take the punishment. Please hang me. So after that, after this incident, after the conversation between the king and the Daman, Pithias came to the court hurriedly, runningly, gaspingly. So, and he was taking a long breath because of he came by running. So what Pithias says after coming? I have come. I have come. Please do not kill Daman. I have come back to take my punishment. Please hang me. Daman: no. Please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. O king, as you agreed, if he come late on this day, I should be responsible for that. I should be punished instead of him. He came late. Anyhow, you have to punish me. Instead of him, you should hang me. Daman requests the king. By seeing these two friends, King Dionysius was very confused and tears come out from his eyes. Never in my life I seen such a friendship. Both you have kept your promises. I am happy to know that such friendship exists still. I set you both free. By seeing both Daman and Pithias were sacrificing with each other for their friendship. So by seeing this scenario, by seeing this scene, King Dionysius was very fond, so he was crying bitterly and said that I have never seen such a friendship in my lifetime. Still such friendship exists. So I am very lucky to have you people in my kingdom. So I am very happy to know such friendship will be exist. So I set both of you free. You both are, you can go, your family can go home. Whatever you want you can do. You are free from the punishment. I am sorry for that. I just tested your friendship, isn't it? So this was the story of two friends by name Daman and Pithias. Daman and Pithias are the true friends which loves the truth very much. So they never hesitate being truthfully. So one day he know about the king Dionysius. So he know about that. So he started blaming the king. Pithias started blaming the king. He was cunning. He was so rude. Like that he was started blaming. As soon as the king come to know that Pithias has blamed the king, so he has been arrested and he has been punished to hang himself. So by seeing his friend's state, Daman rushed to the court and he says, "Oh my lord, please don't punish Pithias." So as you know that his sister's marriage is there, his mother is very old, so let him go as per his last wish. Let him arrange for his sister's marriage and let him take the blessings of his mother for the last wish and let him come back. Until that time I will be here, and if he doesn't come and you can punish me like that, then Daman will requests to the king. So king was very surprised because both are ready to sacrifice for their friendship. So he wanted to test more. So what he said, alright, I will give you permission to go Pithias, but you are coming back, time and date will be, I am going to fix it. So at a time, proper day you should be come here, otherwise Daman will be punished instead of you. So like that it has happened. Pithias rushed to his family. He made arrangements of his sister's marriage and he took the blessings of his mother, and he again while returning he came back. So he was returning to the king court. So he was while returning he got many dangerous, because the king already know that he was returning in this time. So he arranged some of the difficulties for him to return at a proper time. So he made them, he should be delayed for the court, so that let us see how their friendship will exist. So he tested them. He made many problems while coming back from his family, so from his place. So he came little bit late. So he was coming on the way east, but at the same time king asks Daman to hang himself, because as a promise Pithias didn't come to the proper time. So instead of him Daman is going to be punished. So king asked him, "Oh Daman, you are such a fool. Your friend did not want you to he did not want to come back. He will not come back because he has promised he will not. He didn't came here still. So he want you to die. He will not come back. I am sure that you are going to be a fool because you are sacrificing your life for him." So Daman replies that, "Oh my dear king, my friend is not like that. He promised and he will keep his promise. If he delayed, there is no problem. I am ready to sacrifice myself because I love him deeply. I respect him deeply." After this conversation, Pithias enters the court by runningly and gasping, taking a long breath. Says, "O king, I am here. Please release Daman. As you told, I am here. So you have to punish me, not Daman." Okay. So conversations between the friendships were heard by the king. He was keep on looking the scenario or the scene, what in between their conversation. Lastly, king replies that, "I am very fond of your friendship. I just wanted to test your friendship. So you are true friends. I am really surprised by seeing your friendship. So now also, if it is exists such a friendship means I am very happy to see you all. So I am releasing both of you. You can go home. You can go home." Okay. This is the summary of the story. Thank you, children.